Good evening. The Prime Minister is making a massive push to try and draw in young voters and convince Canadians of a plan for one of the country's biggest problems, housing. It comes just days before the Liberals reveal the latest budget and is being touted as the most comprehensive and ambitious housing announcement ever seen in the country. CTV's Annie Bergeron-Oliver takes us through the details.
Liberal cabinet ministers fanned out across the country to pitch their plan to tackle the housing crisis. 28 pages of promises the government calls the most comprehensive and ambitious housing plan ever.
Canadians need homes they can afford. This is one of the most urgent issues that people are facing.
Among the new promises, Ottawa is giving tax breaks to developers who build rental units and to colleges who build new student housing. It's offering $40,000 in low-interest loans to homeowners who build a rental suite and spending $150 million to grow the number of tradespeople, while also offering more than $1 billion to reduce homelessness.
It is a bit mixed bag. Some of the changes on the tax side, can be done at the stroke of a pen. Other things are going to take a year or two or more in order to get into action.
To restore affordability by 2030, the Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation says an extra 3.5 million homes need to be built. This plan aims to create a total of 3.9 million homes by 2031. But getting there requires the provinces to buy in.
Right now it's a 6-7-story office building.
Housing advocate Mark Richardson hopes many of those units will be created from unused government office buildings like this one in Toronto.
This is an example where the city's been doing all the right things. There hasn't always been the federal commitment to bring the kind of money to the table in affordable housing loans and grants that make a project like this viable.
And while experts say the plan doesn't do much to increase the supply of homes for sale, rental advocates are desperate for solutions for the lowest income renters.
We are losing a lot of housing, low-income housing, where the builder comes, buy these low-income homes, they crush them, and then evict the people.
The government is also promising a historic shift in how public lands are used to build new homes. They're also pledging to make it easier to build rental units near colleges and public transit, an idea the Conservative leader, Heather, has been pushing.
CTV's Annie Bergeron-Oliver in Ottawa.